Guys, we're back home, man. Finally. Can't wait, man. I just need rum and food.
It's a dream come true. So we have folks already working. These guys, the Crucian guys, man, they are hard working. Look at that. 10 posts on my side. 10 posts. So 10 will be straight under my container, and the other ones are for the deck. So on my side I will have no deck here on Calvin's side, on Spratnet's side. My deck's gonna be on the other side and in the front, obviously. So look at that. Look at that. How awesome it is. There's the view from the container. See the post here. So I have to paint this. I have to paint this. So the roof's gonna be covered, but still, you know, I'm gonna paint it with this silicone product. So this way, look at the view, right? This is the view we're gonna get. About the height the post's gonna be. So when you wake up in the morning, that's what you see. That's it. On a terminé. 40 pieds. Ah, that's it. Alright, here's the sign. So when you walk, you see the sign.
Yeah! Let's get started! Woo!
Alright, I'm done. Here's the work. Right? Nice, nice, nice. You know, look at that beauty. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. The container. See how big it is? It's crazy. How high it is. Wow. Alright, I completed the first time, my first window installation. So, yes, I've learned a lot. It's not that difficult, but here it is. There we go, first window. So what's the first thing we do?
Beer.
Huh? When we get in the island?
Uncle Andy.
That's it. We did. Yeah. And on the beach? The beach? Les traditions, hein? Une bière. Toi, mamie, ça veux-tu une bière?
Oui, mais
Non, on n'a pas le droit. C'est ça qu'elle a dit. She said, oh, we cannot. Of course, they are having a beer, not me. Alright. We had a good day. So we're at Wynn's having dinner with friends and family. You know? After a long day, that's what we do. So Wynn is super good. The landing, beach and resort just come here. We went to Spratnet at lunchtime. So please encourage the local. Alright, ciao. Yes. So we have power. So what we had to do is the first time you plug it in, you know, you have to turn on the breaker, obviously, you know, and then most likely, because it's a GFI, the breaker, not the breaker, but the GFI tripped. So yeah, so that's what I did. I turned on the GFI to make sure, you know, and then it started working. So I'm gonna go check Andrea to see if his is on as well. But this is a big change. I just find out or realize that actually my AC is not powerful enough for the container. At night is fine, but during the day it's not enough. So I'm gonna add one more. Hey, good morning. So today we're gonna install Starlink in the Caribbean, in St. Croix, you know. So let's see. We'll see how it works. We got that. So look at that. Unboxing it. Starlink. So the idea is to set it up. Well, it is 6:30 p.m. and we're still digging. But we are almost there. Oh man, that was painful. But we got it done. All level, you see? Super straight. We're gonna put dirt all over it. Mike is working hard. Hey brother. Man, the pooper is completed.
I'm almost pooping myself.
All right, we just arrived. We're here at the land with the girls and the boys, my boys. Serena is all excited. Yeah. Let's go where the nice looking girls are, man. Yeah, that's your beach. You like it?
I love it.
We own it. Yeah.
It's incredible. Thank you so much.
Hey, you're welcome. Let me show you something. Come here. See the sunset?
Yeah?
Sorry, Will. I took over. Hey, good morning. So, something happened yesterday. I was working, I fell, and I broke my wrist. So, thanks God I was able to go to emergency care. They took care of it. So, but it's just that it's screwing up a little bit my plan for the vacation. But my kids, my older kids are coming with their girlfriend. So I'll be working with them. I'll teach them what to do. So it's gonna, I'll try to make the best out of it. So right now one of them is here. She's here. She arrived yesterday. I picked her up. She came with American Airlines. The other one are coming today. So yeah. As you can see, she's there already meeting with friends and over there, and she's having fun talking, so looking forward to see my older coming, so it's gonna be nice. All right, so after working hard, having some good food. Look at that. Charles, my youngest of Wave 1. Kiara, Serena, and Will.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Alright, it is 7 p.m. on Monday. So I just finished painting my doors. There's a beach. First coat. Let me know what you think about the color. It's gum drop. Alright, so we are doing the siding. So we're putting a Tyvek. So I'm done with the spray foam. You saw it in the drone shot. So I'm putting Tyvek just because I have it, and I think it will help. I'm gonna put the plywood on top, and then I have a little bit more siding to do after that. After I put the plywood, I need to do like vertical 1x2. You'll see it's a little bit artistic, and after that it's going to be complete. It's a lot of work, but in the afternoon we have the shades in that side, so that's why we're working this afternoon. Finish at least this one, and then I'll start cutting the wood, and then we'll do it tomorrow. So you can see behind, right? We're not quite there yet, but We're getting there. Almost halfway. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 board. I need to put five more. All right, second second coat done. Second and last one. Looks nice. Looks so good. All right, so I'm done with the last section. Let me show you. Mangrove is empty. So dry these days. It rains a lot, but still. So, yeah. See? That's it. I need to make a better side here, but for now it's gonna be okay. Need to spray foam a little bit more. Spray foam on the side, but it's okay for now. How it looks like until we get the final product. Don't forget to subscribe, right? Dreamstead.